Hello everyone, this is Aaron from the Know-How. Today we are going to cover how do you state the face code on a carcass. The face code is useful for countries that use maybe PVC on one side and laminate on the other end of the board. So you want to be able to know how do you set that up. Currently, if you right click and go to Attributes dialog, you will see that we have something called face code 1 and 2. When I click on it, you can see that the outer means 1, inner is 2. So you can manually key this in, like maybe outer could be laminate, inner could be PVC. But we don't expect you to key everything because that will be a nightmare. So how do you do this automatically in PYTHA? First, okay, we need to set up the material. Okay, so you go to Attributes, Materials Palette. Okay, right now I have something that is simple. If right now, likely for yours, you have something blank, click on New Entry. So under New Entry, you'll see Unnamed. I can say maybe this is a plywood one side PVC. Okay, my core material, I'll put it as plywood. And I'll say that everything that's internal is a PVC. Outside could be raw. Okay, or empty, anything. So I say save. Okay, so I have 3, press OK, and update and overwrite the file. Okay, but before I apply the material, the carcass has to be grouped so that PYTHA knows where's the internal and external. So I'm going to group the parts, everything, group it together as a carcass. Okay, and what I'm going to do also, I'm just going to add a middle shelf just for fun. So I'm just going to add a middle shelf by doing multiple copy. Okay, so we have something like this. So to apply the material, I will just go to Attributes, Material Palette, plywood one side PVC, everything on the inside is PVC. Okay, select, enter. Straight away, you can see, if I were to right click and go to Attributes dialog, and I scroll down to face code, you will see that number 2, which is the inside, is PVC. Number 1 is empty, which can mean raw. And if I were to right click on this and go to the Attributes dialog, you will see that both sides are PVC. So you can see that PYTHA knows what is the internal and external of a carcass. Then next, maybe you have different color for the external laminate. So there's a limitation in PYTHA, you can only do a single color for a block. So if I were to change the color under the materials menu and assign a different color for this two, so I'm just going to assign a darker color. Okay, you do not need to worry because the properties are not affected. So you can see here, if I were to go, okay, the core material is still plywood and the F code is still PVC on the inside. So for this I can say laminate, and for this also I can say that the external is a laminate. Okay, so what happens now if I were to create my part list? Okay, we are going to see the length, the width, the thickness, and we're going to see the different face code. So I know that I have one panel that is double side PVC, one that is PVC laminate, the other one is PVC laminate, and at least 3 panels are just PVC raw. So this is how you add the attributes for the plywood.